Hello guys, my name is Kiki and it's time to make crafting fun. Now let's make a beautiful home or house with this buffalo check paper in this house. And what I'm doing is I'm just tracing the back of the house on the paper, the buffalo check paper. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut on the inside and leaving a little bit of seam allowance like this. Yes, I'm not sewing, but we are leaving seam allowance. So I'm just gonna continue cutting like this and remove all of that paper. Then I'm gonna measure it like that, and I have to cut a little bit more because I was just guesstimating. I just love to guesstimate. And now I'm gonna fit it right here, and I have a little bit more paper that I have to cut, so let me cut that so we can glue it to the back. We cut it like this, and then I'm gonna bring back one of my favorites, the glue stick. And I'm gonna add lots of that glue to the back of the paper like this. And after we add lots of that glue to the back, we're gonna glue that to the house just like this. And after that, we're gonna bring a beautiful lemon sticker that I have over here. Let me show you here. And I'm gonna cut the excess so we can fit it on the inside of our beautiful house. And as you can see, I'm just cutting the excess like this. And after that, I'm just gonna stick that to the back of the house. Let me show you. Now we can fit it, so let me just stick that over here. And it's looking beautiful. Let me show you. And here we have it, looking so beautiful. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this one. I'm in love with it, so let me know what you think about it. Today's video is part of a collab that I'm doing with my beautiful friend, the DIY Savvy Mommy. And in the description box down below, you're gonna find the link to her channel and also to her video, so you can go and check her out and also watch the beauties that she made for this collab. Remember, you're gonna find the link to her video and also to her channel. I know you're gonna love her, so go and check her out after you finish watching my video. Let's make a beautiful lemon slice, and I'm using this paint from Waverly, and that's lemon color. I can't remember the name exactly. But I'm gonna paint that part, and that's a beautiful bright yellow acrylic paint. And I'm gonna paint this center, and I'm gonna give it 3 coats so I can cover everything with this beautiful yellow color. I'm in love with that color this season. And now that I have it covered and it has its 3 coats, I'm gonna make the lemon wedges. I think that's the name. Those beautiful slicey thingies. And we're gonna paint it using a really thin brush like this until we have made all of them. And now let me make them. Now we have them, and I'm gonna make a mistake. And I'm gonna clean it so I can cover the white parts. And that wasn't the white part. So I'm just gonna continue painting like this until I have covered the outside of those slices. And I forgot that a lemon is in white. So now I'm just covering the parts that are supposed to be white. And I'm gonna continue painting them until I have covered all of those pieces like this. And as you can see, it's looking cute already. So we're gonna just continue painting like that until we have covered everything like this, including those lines in the middle. We're gonna continue just painting like this, and it's looking so cute. Now let's keep on painting until we have finished all of that like so. Then we're gonna move on to making the seeds of our lemon. So let's just finish with this so we can move on to make cute seeds on our lemon slice. Now that we have finished, I'm gonna move on for those beautiful seeds. Now, let's make them. And I'm just using a small or thin paintbrush, and I'm just making them like this, and they are looking so cute. Look at that. I'm loving this lemon slice. And we're gonna do that to all of our pieces of the lemon, just like this, until we have all of those seeds like that. And now let me show you this cutie. I'm in love with it. Look at that. It's looking so beautiful. Let me know what you think about this beauty in the comments below because I'm in love with it. Now let's make a beautiful sign, and we're going to use white paint and this sign from the Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it like this. I'm not going to do a beautiful job on the painting because I want that wood grain to show. Let me show you a little bit better. Let me finish over here. Let me paint it so you can see what I'm just saying. And now you can see that you can see some of the wood showing through the white. Let me show you a little bit better. Now you can see it. You can see some of the wood showing up. And now I'm going to add this beautiful sticker over here. And then we're going to add some letters to the top and the bottom of our sign. And what I'm going to add is fresh lemons. And as you can see, I'm playing around with my letters just like this. So we can place them somewhere that we like. And now I'm just gluing them like this. And I always glue the first and the last one to make it easier on myself. And as you can see, I'm just using the paper from the sticker to remove the excess glue. So we're just going to continue adding our letters just like this and playing around and then gluing them like that until we have glued all of those letters. Like this. Now I'm going to glue the end and we're going to move on to the fresh. And as you can see, I'm just removing all the excess glue. And now we're going to go and glue the fresh. And I'm going to glue the F and the H like that. And then I'm going to glue the middle or the E like this. And then we're going to glue the other two letters so we can finish our fresh. And now let me show you how it turned out. And look at that. Looking so beautiful. That sign, I'm in love with it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like modern farmhouse decor and lots of silly jokes, subscribe because that's what I do here. And hit the thumbs up and share this video with a friend because that really helps to support my channel. Also, go and check me out on my social media so we can be friends over there and have lots and lots of fun together. For our last lemon DIY, we are going to do this round pan, and I'm using the same yellow color that I used for the lemon slice, and I'm just painting the background just like that. And I'm going to give it 3 coats as I did with the other one. And we're going to cover all of that really nicely so we can have a beautiful, guess what, lemon slice. So we're going to cover it, give it 3 coats, let it dry so we can come back and make a beautiful lemon slice. And now let me show you that I did the same. Here we have it. But now I want to make a beautiful banner, and for that I'm just using some twine. And I'm going to cut a piece of twine like this. Let me measure again. And then we're going to use that beautiful buffalo check paper that you see there. And we're going to take it like this and cut it to make beautiful triangles for our banner like this. So we're going to cut a couple of those triangles. And then we're going to start gluing them to our twine. So let me cut a lot more of those. And then let's start making it. Let me show you first how we do it so I can keep on cutting. I'm adding a little bit of hot glue. And then I'm adding my triangles like this together so they look really cute. And just like that, we're making a cute banner. I'm so in love with this cutie. And now we're going to add the last one that I have there. But I'm going to keep on working with this so we can add it to our beautiful lemon slice. And now that I have it, we are going to add it to our lemon slice. And as you can see, I'm just adding a little bit of hot glue here and here. And then I'm going to flip it over. and glue those pieces to the inside of the pan like this. And we're making a beautiful sign. I'm in love with this one. It looks so cute. Let me flip it over so you can see it. Look at that, so cute. And here you have it. I'm in love with this. It looks so cute, and it's gonna look amazing on my tier tray. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this one. And this is how they turned out. As you can see, we have all of them here with a couple of lemons, just to keep the lemon theme all over. Let me know in the comments below what you think about these beauties. I'm in love with them. Remember that in the description box down below, I'm gonna leave you the link to the DIY Savvy Mommy channel so you can go and check her out. I know you're gonna love her. She's so talented and she has lots of beautiful creations over there on her channel. So please go and check her out. I know you're gonna have lots of fun, and also I'm gonna leave you the link to her video so you can go and check out what she created for this awesome collaboration. And remember that if you like modern farmhouse, ball decor, and lots of silly jokes, that's what I do here. So subscribe and hit the thumbs up and share this video with a friend because that really helps to support my channel. And if you like this one, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care, my beautiful friends. Bye-bye.